This time not coming. This thing is ruthless, really ruthless towards you.
The toenail has grown too long. Normally you should trim your toenails yourself when you notice they're too long. If you don't want to see them long, just trim them flat. Leave the sides of the toenail a bit longer so they can grow out a little more. Just cut the middle part horizontally, yeah. You can cut it straight across, but the sides of the nails must be left out. Cutting straight across is fine, but if the sides of the nails are too short, cutting them into a straight line won't work. The corners will dig in even deeper.
All right. I think the toenails have grown too long.
He definitely isn't used to my style. Definitely ask him if he hasn't changed yet. I think I'm not very coherent. I don't have any problem. Ah.
This one is tied with a strap now. Not wearing it today, right? Not wearing it. Shao Kai.
Yes, I love wearing this. I had it repaired once. They both have tall hair.
Yes, this little girl is nice too. Her mother is still a good person. Mom, hurry up and fix it. I'm going to buy groceries.
Okay. Give you money, oh dear. You put the money down and then took it again. Come out, you still want money. If not, I won't eat.
Why haven't you eaten?
What did Mom say about eating noodles? Wash it well.
有一次，